Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm with Joey or Didi and we're doing an outdoor late night shoot. What I'm going to be using to light this entire scene is going to be the Ambitful lights that I received from Ambitful. We don't have any sockets outdoors, right? So all the lights are going to be battery powered. The main light is battery powered. If you haven't seen the video on that one, I'll put a link somewhere here. You can check it out. And then the other ones that we're going to be playing with as a fill light, also battery powered. Those are the tube-like lights. I'll show you those as well. And you can check them out. I'll put the links down below if you want to check these lights. They are really affordable and they are amazing. What I'm going to be using to capture the images is the Nikon Z6 Mark II. So I'll also be recording so you guys can see exactly what the camera sees and we can all figure out the performance, the autofocus in this pitch black environment and then just being lit up with this LED light. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so for our main light, we're using the FL80. It's an RGB light, but currently we're just using the white version of it because we're gelling with the other lights. I have my Godox snoot on there, and that is what is helping me focus the lights just around here. So we have that spotlight effect on your face. And these lights are actually magnetic. And luckily, I can just, stick it onto the C-stand that we have as our first fill light. And then Mr. Mpabing is going to hold another one of the lights and then probably just position it in areas that the light isn't reaching. So the idea is her face is going to have like a proper color and then everywhere else around here is going to be gelled blue. Maybe we'll still play with other colors because this is a full RGB light, the main light. So maybe we can just change it into like another color that would also complement the blue, or we'll just move the colors around because all these lights can be controlled with an app. And so it'll be easy to figure out like different color combinations that will work well. So let's actually start shooting and then see what happens. Now we're going to start taking some shots. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that looks good. I'm probably just raise, instead of using it vertically, like hold it landscape. Yeah, and then let your hand go up. You can bring it closer. It can be like that. Yeah. When you're getting tired, let me know. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Hold that. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, amazing. Oh, actually, even the blue looks good. I like the one you're looking at. Perfect. Look at me again. Bring your eyes back into that. Yeah. Okay, so I think it's struggling a bit with the focus. Yeah, right there. Hold that. Yeah. Oh, that's actually nice. Keep that. Yeah, perfect. You can put your hands together, like down here, like that. Yeah. And then I'll just chin up towards the light. Yeah. Oh, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. Bring your hands close to your face. Let's do it like a tight shot. Yeah. Perfect. And can you tilt your face in this direction instead? Yes. But then now look into the camera. Yeah. All right, perfect. Chin up a little bit. Straighten your face. Let's do a straight shot. And now I'm just gonna take like slightly wider shots. Perfect. Look towards the light. Yeah. Okay, back into the camera. Let me see what landscape will give me. So now I'm just gonna shoot some landscape. Ooh, that looks really cinematic. Perfect. I've changed the strip lights, that is the Ambitful A2 lights, just to red. I've turned off the light that was going through the gobo. I just want to shoot here with this red color because I think I really like the vibe. And yeah, that's nice. Awesome. Beautiful. Let me just come closer to you now. It's struggling, it's hunting. I think it's not able to detect her face. Perfect. Oh, that was nice. Keep that beautiful. One more shot. Let me do landscape again, and then let's see what we can get. I need to touch the screen for it to pick. Ooh, that's perfect. Look towards the light, yeah, right there. Ooh, that's nice. Perfect. And then just keep the same head tilt, but just bring your eyes back into the camera. Let me turn on the main light now and then figure out a color that would work with the red. All right, so now we're just going crazy with the colors because we can. I'm giving her like this purple color back onto the spotlight, and then we're surrounding her with green. All right, so let's just have fun with these. I don't mind if the light actually shows I'm probably, because for this one, we're just, you know, having fun.